Hi, this is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today we are making Bacardi Rum Cake. So this dessert is delicious and it's fabulous at festive holidays or not so festive holidays. So before we begin, if you are interested in the Omnia Oven and its accessories, please go to thelittlehouseofbeans.com, and on our page is a gear tab where you will be able to find the Omnia Oven on Amazon. The recipe will be in the description below. Please make sure to smooshy that like button. Smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Ready to cook? I am. So we just got this wireless electric beater, super lightweight, and I am planning on doing a product review. So make sure you look out for that video. And the link is in the description below.